Hi guys, so in this tutorial, I want to show you how you can create a product page on Woocommerce. Now, for you to create a product page on Woocommerce, you first even have to have a product listed on your Woocommerce store. So to do this on your WordPress dashboard, right, just go over to Woocommerce. You could see product around here. So you just click on add new. So once you're on this page, you just need to add the product name and you need to add the product description, the product details like shipping information, inventory, attributes, advanced settings, the product short description. And then once you publish the product, you'll be able to go visit your product page. But there's something I want to show you, right? Which is this stuff called Zendrop. Let me quickly say something. There's something called dropshipping, right? Where you don't actually have the products on ground, like unlike traditional like retailing, you have this product on ground. When you get an order, you ship it. So for dropshipping, you don't have the product on ground. What you do is you have a third-party supplier that has the product. So once you get an order on your store, you just list the product, right? So once you get an order on your store, you go to your third party, you order from your third party supplier. All this stuff can be done automatically. You can set it up to be done automatically. So basically, you just order the product from your third party supplier. He ships the product out. So he handles keeping of inventory. He handles shipping the product out to your customers. And no, you won't be paying for warehouse or any of the stuff. Most likely, you just be paying for the shipping and the product itself. So the good thing about dropshipping is you're not spending so much to bulk purchase a product, and you're literally just selling the product through a third-party supplier. So in this tutorial on creating a product page, why this comes in handy is if you wanted to, if you want to use the dropshipping model, you would not need to come over here and start filling details. Of course, these details can be populated automatically for you. And then you just come over here and edit them. And I'll quickly show you how to do this. So there are a lot of dropshipping supplier website and apps and plugins you can find on WordPress, right? There's a whole lot of them. And on the description of this tutorial, I would leave you a list of different dropshipping suppliers that you can connect to your Woocommerce website. And using those plugins, you can automatically populate, and those plugins will automatically fill up these options. But if you don't like how things are worded, then you can come and edit it. So I'll leave links to different dropshipping supplier website. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using this dropshipping supplier. It's called Zendrop, right? So what we'll do right now is we'll head over to plugins. All right. And then when we get to plugins, we'll just click on add new. Like I said, there's a lot of dropshipping supplier plugins, for the purpose of this tutorial, I would be using Zendrop. So we just search for Zendrop. All right, see, so here's Zendrop. So we click on by Zendrop. So we click on install and then we click on activate. So now it's activated. If we go to our plugins, our installed plugins on our dashboard, we can now see that Zendrop is activated. So let's go over to Zendrop. Again, I will leave a link to Zendrop where you can quickly create a free Zendrop account. So once you just click on the link, you will be able to create your Zendrop account. So once you're on the Zendrop account sign up page, you're just required to fill in your name. So let's quickly fill this out. So on this page over here, what we need to do is start connecting our Zendrop to our Woocommerce. And this is more like a sales page, and it's saying we should go for Zendrop Pro, which would cost $79 a month, and we can try it for free for 7 days. But in this tutorial, we don't want to use the pro version. We just want to stick to the free version, right? So we just say, no thanks, I'm not interested. But definitely, if you want to use a pro version, it comes with a lot of stuff. So I really say, for example, let me just make the highlights, right? If you're using if you're using the Zendrop free version, right, what you get is this. The product that is going to be shipped to your customers would come in your own customized package. So assuming your business name is Marriage, right? Basically, Zendrop is going to have a packaging like a carton box, whatever, designed with your logo and your name. So when the customers receive the product, they get it in your product packaging. That is called private labeling. So with the pro version, you can do private labeling, and they basically do everything for you, like automatically from A to Z. Like there's a whole lot of good stuff. You also get access to more suppliers, better support, and all of this stuff. So there's a lot of good stuff you get if you're using Zendrop Pro. But again, like I said, for this tutorial, we just want to keep it at trying out the free version, all right? So we're here right now, and it gives us like different things we can connect to. We can connect to Shopify. By the way, we do have a course on viewbosslink.com where you can learn how to design a Shopify website, right? But now we're all about WooCommerce. So you can connect Zendrop to Shopify, and you can connect it to WooCommerce, right? So we'll just click with WooCommerce, right? So we click on WooCommerce, and now we are requested to get the store URL, the store key, the bridge URL, and the store directory. So to do this, let's go back to our WooCommerce store and go to the Zendrop plugin. So over at Zendrop plugin, we just click on settings. All right, so now we're here at settings. We just click on connect. So now we have all the information being required. Now this is the store key. So we literally are just going to copy and paste this, right? So let's copy this stuff. So we copy the store key, we go over to Zendrop, and then we paste. Then we go back to WooCommerce. We copy the bridge URL. Copy, and then we'll go back to Zendrop, and then we paste the bridge URL. And then we go back to WooCommerce, and we then copy the store root directory over here. We copy it, we go to Zendrop, and then we paste it. Now for the store URL, that's going to be the URL of your store. So assuming your store is marriage.com, whatever it is, whatever your domain is, that's what you'll be putting there. So I'll just come over here and just copy this store's URL. So go back to Zendrop and paste the store URL. All right, so having done this, I just have to click on connect and give it time to connect. So now you can see that it's connected, and we're on this page where we can see different things. And just to go over it, this is ships from US. So if you click on this, you'll be seeing only products that ships from US. Under here, you would see products that are trendy. If you want to sell shop tech, you'll see tech related products like AirPods and all of those stuff. You want to list it on your store. And the good thing, once you list it on your store, like I said, you don't even have to have this product on ground. The Zendrop is going to like do the whole fulfillment thing. And let's go to tech. Let's see. Okay, now we can see some products here, and we can see the different prices of the product. So let's just go for this massage minigun. And on this massage minigun, you can see the price of, and we would also find other information. Shipping time could take, economic is like 20 to 30 days. We'll totally avoid this. Don't do this. But regular could take 10 to 15 days. It's still long, sort of. But what you're going to have to do is give your customers the right expectation. So if you know a product is going to be taking as long as 10 to 15 days, I would say let them know that, okay, this product might be taking this long. For this tutorial, let's just list this product because I just want to show you basically how you can design a product page on Woocommerce. So over here, let's see how we can import this product to our Woocommerce store. So we just click to add to import list if we want to sell this product. So now we've clicked on add to import list. If we come over here in our dashboard, we'll see imported products. And yeah. Okay. Okay, not there. Okay, so let's click on this place, the import list. So now on the import list, we can now see this product that's on the import list, right? So we could just click on import to store. So now there's something, there's a please read here, and it says this product will show 50,000 units in inventory in your store. This is just a placeholder since we do not have real-time inventory from the factories we buy product from. Production cycle delays. When you first start selling a product, it might take longer than the normal 1 to 3 days to ship. This is normal and should not happen once you start selling it regularly. So yeah, that's just a notice, something you keep in mind. Like I said, Zendrop is not the only dropshipping supplier. There's a whole bunch of them, and I have an article. There's an article on the website where we actually listed different dropshipping supplier and we did a review of each. So that could be a good thing to read and decide which one of them you'd want to connect to your store. So yeah, we've just imported that product to our Woocommerce store. So let's go over. Okay, so let's go to our Woocommerce website. And now let's just go to products and let's go to all product. Let's see the list of products in our stores. And now you can see that because we imported this product, right? It's here on our store. Let's delete this one. Don't worry, it did not import it 2 times. I actually have imported this product to this store before. So that's why it's appearing twice. So I'll just delete the first one. All right. Okay, so now you can see that the product is already imported and it's already live, you know. And if you want to view what the product page will look like, let's look at this. This is what the product page will look like. Now, it has the product pictures and product description, add to cart, and everything. And then this color you're seeing over here, like I said, we treated this when we were talking, in our tutorial that was about creating a header. We're also able to create this when we are creating menu, and we're also able to do this when we are creating footer. So if you're interested in the full design a Woocommerce course, like I said before, just go to viviboslink.com and you'll see the entire course. But here we are sticking to creating a Woocommerce product page, and we've just done that, right? But yeah, let's go back. There's still something I want to show you. So now if we go to products and we click on products and we're here and we click on edit product. Now you can see the stuff, right? Automatically Zendrop published this information on the website when we imported the product. It's published. You fill up this thing, which I said, if you don't want to use an app to create your product page, you could just go to add new products and fill this information up yourself and you would have created your product page, right? But Zendrop automatically filled this in, massage gun mini, which is the name of the product, and fill in the product description on our behalf. And all of this thing, the product specification, which was part of the product description, shipping information, inventory information. So, Zendrop already did this, right? But let me show you something, right? Just in case you're not comfortable with this description, you feel like it doesn't sell your product, like talk about the product the way you want to talk about the product. And sometimes you might not even be comfortable with the product name. You feel like you can give this product name a different name. For example, if your brand name is Maris and you want to say Maris Massage or something, whatever you want to name the product, you can come over here and just edit it, right? Put what you want to put, edit the description the way you want, edit the description, and then update. And that would be updated. Over here, you can edit and put what you want to put. So that's that, guys, for this tutorial. This tutorial, we're able to create a product page. For now, I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Take care and bye-bye.